Also, this is Dewey's side of the story. Dewey saying that Queenie bust him face open. The thing is that I find it strange in the comment, women are telling Dewey to go home, but if it was the other way around, they would have told Queenie to leave.
No, what is ungrateful, innit? Okay, when I look for me and tell me, say me ungrateful. No. I love seeing with man, you hear that? But when I see my wife do, I tell her straight, I put my hand on my wife, but I never use no object on liquor yet. You see me? And when I see she use the glass and lick me, I say, Jaja star in a real life, you see me? Yeah. Which party there? I don't know you, so how you want to know my location? Eh? I'm not there home, I'm not the side of Queen. You see me? Yeah, I'm still the road. Is it? Yeah, no joke. Well, I'm not say she rude still, you see me? You get me? I say it's just that she get out of character. You understand me? I say? Yeah, cause I never see my wife in that term there yet, but you don't know a thing, go. You see me? Yeah. It happen and I take it. I don't fight back, I not like that, you see me? Take it. You get me? And you don't know a thing, go. You know, people see it and I say for call police. You know, I call the police for now, but you know, in a real life. You see me? I can see. Say I'm not a joke. You understand? Yeah, man. Buckler, and she didn't need to, you know. Yeah, man. In a real life. Come look on it and I say, buckler. This I think come down. But you know, enough love seeing me, man. My wife, man, I hear that. But you forget the thing straight. You see me, my mother now have nothing to do with this. My baby mother now have nothing to do with this. But the simple turn to you and say, you say me an end of you. I come like, I want to stop you from shine. I'm the simple say, yo, from I come around you, I not stop you from doing nothing. You understand? I not object to nothing. You understand me? I say, I uphold with everything. You understand? I'm just turn to her and say, yo, B, in a real life, you end me from seeing my son. You understand? The argument here, when me share with her is an argument. We're gone from baby mother. You understand? When my baby mother tell me straight, me not see about my son. You understand what I say? And me say it to her. You understand? Make it as a reference, and you know she take it in a fair own term and put baby mother in it. Baby mother not have nothing to do with it. Cause me not take no talk from the baby mother, and baby mother can't give me no talk. It's just that me can't see me youth. You understand? And me and my youth been have a band. You understand? And it's like I'm wrong for mention me youth. No wrong no day. You see me? I love my youth no matter what. You get me? I'm one youth. The hungry one. You see me? And him favor me. I never lie. You see me? So I have to love him. You get me? And I still never make it a burden. You understand? She have her 5 youth. Them she can't see all of them. Me can't see the one that me have. You see me? And she make it a big thing. You get me? Till she come on the media. You see me? Before all of the media thing, you know, I wasn't a media person, you know. You see me? I'm still know where I say now, fluent with the net thing. You understand? Cause live or something I'm gonna do. Straight. You see me? I'm gonna take the time out to come on the live and, you see me? Share, we don't know what me have to say. You understand? I have nothing against my wife. You see me? I appreciate everything. And everything I wanna see when me and my wife do. You get me? I never know no joke, a realness. You see me? Everything real, but you don't know the thing, go. You see me? She do what she have to do and me never like it. So me, I have to just take that stand there. You see me? Yeah. The reason being, the morning I come out of the house, I never ever go through what I go through the night before. You understand me I say? So, I never ever go say anything for kinda where I say no, blaze up at the fire. You understand? So I take my time and you see me do my thing. You get me? And by me do my thing, you understand, she come to fair conclusion and all of that. You get me? Me see she come on the media and, you know, she talk a bag of thing and, you know, but that's how the thing go. You understand? But me make you know straight. Baby mother not have nothing to do with it. My mother not have nothing to do with it. You understand? Me see them sending something for one blogging thing. You see me? For YouTube about my mother. You get me? And to be honest with you, I telling you this, the honest truth. Me see the text and the text, it don't want to seem like my mother. But that is not my mother. You understand? You get me? So she have a take on that as well, because through me not bash my mother for say a she. You understand what I say? But at the same time, my mother is not a media person. She don't know no blogger. She don't know. Yeah, I must say me and Crazy alone. She know where do media. You understand? So when me hear Sheila talk about my mother go pan, my mother don't have no time for that. You see me? I'm not swear for my mother, but I know my mother. You understand what I say? In a real life, yeah, my mother did book a Uber for me. I'm not gonna tell her lie. In a real life, you see me? That night there about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks, if no more. You understand what I say? And my mother called. But I put my mother basically, I put me out. She yeah, my mother, my wife. You understand? Me and her in a dispute before that one, yeah. And she chuck out everything. You understand? And my mother called and you understand what I say? And, you know, me I tell her what go on and whatever. And you see me? She say she not like the whole eruption we are going to. She make me go cool out. You understand? And I say, alright, mommy, no problem. They get me the Uber come and thing and whatever. She go out there to the man. If made it seriously, she couldn't make me not go in the car. You understand what I say? But due to the fact that the love of me affair, I say, you know, me not gonna push it. You understand? But just go and hold it and you understand? You see me? So I hold it up to this time, you know, when me see she use and lick me in my father, me I say, no. You get me I say? In a real life. But I nothing but love, man. You hear that? Nothing but love. You understand what I say in a real life? Listen, me now not talk about get family in a relationship. You see, when me and my wife have nothing, and it reach a point wherein she start do her outbursts, and you understand? Me just shut down away wherein me not talk. You get what I say? And due to the fact that me not talk, you know, it irritates her. You get me, sir? She used that now and get my people them involved. You get me? I did my mother first. She usually call, but due to the fact that, you know, the little tiff she and my mother have, you understand what I say? Wherein one day she called my mother and, you know, show my mother what I go on and thing, and my mother said to her, she started with the dissing thing, and my mother said, nobody diss him, so. You see me? And by my mother said that, she said, oh, the tomato for come off from my phone and hang up the phone. You see me? And when she hang up the phone, you see me? She start and from this, so she and my mother no more communication. You understand what I say? So, and me that bring things to my people them. You understand? My wife been. You understand? I call them. A matter of fact, every time I have something, none of me call people and tell people. You get me? In a real life, but you don't know the thing go. You know, as me say, you know, I just love. It's just that, you know, me not appreciate how she deal with me the other night. You see me? And I just the mere fuck that. You get me? And in a real life, my mother have a right, of course. You get me? Cause if she call me at the moment and something happening and she are here and she not approve it, she not like it, she gotta take a stand, don't it? And she just send a taxi for me, and you get me I say? You know, I say me not see a problem with it. Me not see no problem with it. You understand? Cause mother that. You get me? Cause she da do the same thing before you them too as well. You get me? Me things them there yard, you know. Me things them there yard, so obviously. You see me? One reason why I never go back home. You see me see she go up on the internet and I class up my mother. No, me not work that way there. Cause mommy BG, me never disrespect mommy BG, no shape, no form. You understand, in a real life. You get me? I the love. Yeah. You see me? I never lie. I connect see